Alrighty, our target today says, I can explore the associative property. I will show this by identifying and placing parentheses in multiplication and division equations. Oh my goodness, there are a lot of big words. Let's just break this down line by line to help us understand exactly what we're doing today. First thing, I can explore. When I see the word explore or hear the word explore, I think of someone who's going on a journey to find something new. Like Christopher Columbus. He was going on a journey and he found America. Okay, so when we explore something, we're trying to find something new. We're learning new things. So we're going to explore the associative property. Whoa, everyone say associative property. That's a really big word, and what it really means is to kind of break things down and make them easier to work with. So the associative property, as you'll see in the video below, is whenever you have a large number or a large equation, you can break that down and make it a little easier to work with. For example, if I have 9 times 5, I know that that equals 45 because I've been doing multiplication for a very long time. You're new to multiplication. I would never expect you to just know that right off the top of your head. I do expect you to know that 9 can be broken down into 4 and 5. And I then can use this breakdown to help me get to 45 a little easier. Okay, I can say 4 times 5 plus 5 times 5 equals, and then I know that that's 45. My answer is going to stay the same. 4 times 5, 20 plus 25. So the associative property is kind of a nicer way of saying break it down and use parentheses and make numbers smaller. It's just 2 words instead of everything I just said. But here's an example. Okay, moving along. I will show this by. This sentence is key because it tells us, oh, this is how I'm going to show my teachers that I understand what's going on. I will show this by identifying. Identifying. What's another word for identifying? Did you say finding? If you did, you're correct. By finding and placing, or writing, drawing, I guess. Drawing parentheses, that's these guys right down here. These are parentheses. We use them to help make our math a little cleaner and neater, help it make sense. In multiplication and division equations. And equations is just a fancy word for math sentences. There it is. There's our target. That is what we're going to be doing today.